If you want to buy the best cookware for your glass-top stove, then you're in the right place. Out of all the different cookware brands on the market, I've narrowed down the best options to a top 5 list. Let's see which cookware made the cut. Links to each product are in the description box below. This versatile, non-toxic cookware set from Alva delivers exceptional performance for glass cooktops with its flat bottoms and premium materials that distribute heat evenly. The Alva Maestro cookware bundle offers exactly what glass cooktop owners need: flat, smooth bottom pots and pans that maintain full contact with the heating surface. You'll appreciate how these pieces heat evenly without hot spots, preventing those frustrating situations where food burns in one area while remaining undercooked in another. Glass cooktop users will find the stainless steel construction particularly beneficial as it won't scratch your delicate cooking surface. The set includes everything you need: an 11-inch ceramic nonstick frying pan, 1.7-quart saucepan, 2-piece sauté skillet with lid, and a generous 8-quart stainless steel stock pot. Each piece features heat-resistant handles that stay cool during cooking. Health-conscious cooks will value the non-toxic construction. The ceramic non-stick surfaces require just a small amount of oil, making your meals healthier while ensuring nothing sticks. For best results with the ceramic surfaces, use low to medium heat settings and avoid metal utensils that could compromise the coating. Cleanup is remarkably simple with these dishwasher-safe pieces, though a gentle hand wash will extend their lifespan. The rounded rims provide drip-free pouring, a small but significant feature when you're transferring hot liquids. While the investment is still higher than with basic cookware sets, the versatility and durability make this affordable bundle an excellent long-term choice for your glass cooktop. Next up on my best cookware for glass-top stove list is the Caraway 12-piece cookware set, which delivers a perfect blend of stylish design, non-toxic materials, and exceptional cooking performance that makes it an ideal choice for glass-top stoves. This bright and cheerful cookware set instantly elevates your kitchen aesthetic while providing practical benefits for glass-top stove users. The aluminum core with ceramic coating distributes heat evenly, preventing hot spots that can damage glass surfaces. You'll appreciate how the flat, smooth bottoms make perfect contact with your glass cooktop, maximizing heat transfer and cooking efficiency. The non-toxic ceramic surface truly delivers on its non-stick promise. Eggs slide right off, sauces won't scorch, and cleanup becomes remarkably simple with just a gentle wipe. This feature lets you cook with minimal oils and butters, supporting healthier meal preparation while protecting your glass stovetop from difficult-to-remove burned residue. Storage organization is where Caraway really shines for many homeowners. The included magnetic pan racks and canvas lid holder solve the common kitchen cabinet chaos problem. No more stacking pans precariously or searching for matching lids. With designated spots for each piece, your cookware stays neatly arranged and accessible without risking damage to the non-stick coating. Although these pans are pretty lightweight, their sturdy construction helps them stay put on glass stovetops without sliding around. Similarly, the stainless steel handles provide a secure grip during cooking, though they can get warm during extended use. The comprehensive set includes all essential pieces: a 10.5-inch frying pan, a 3-quart saucepan, a 6.5-quart Dutch oven, and a 4.5-quart sauté pan with corresponding lid. Maintenance is straightforward, but requires some attention to preserve the non-stick properties long-term. Hand washing is recommended, and you'll want to avoid metal utensils and stick to wooden or silicone alternatives. The ceramic coating performs best at low to medium heat settings, which aligns perfectly with recommended practices for glass cooktops anyway. Checking in at number 3 on my best pots and pans for glass top stove list, we have this American-made 5-ply stainless steel cookware set from Heritage Steel, which delivers professional quality performance for glass top stoves without chemical coatings, making it a lifetime investment for serious home cooks. The Heritage Steel X Eater 10-piece set stands out for glass-top stoves because its flat, heavy-bottom design provides excellent contact with the cooking surface. This fully clad construction distributes heat evenly, preventing hot spots that can damage delicate glass cooktops. Unlike cheaper disc-bottom alternatives, these pans feature 5-ply construction throughout the entire body. What makes this cookware exceptional is its thoughtful engineering. 3 layers of aluminum are completely sandwiched between protective layers of stainless steel, creating a cooking surface that heats uniformly while remaining stable and durable. The handles stay cool on the stovetop, and the rounded lips allow for drip-free, pouring practical features when preparing complex meals. You won't find any chemical coatings on these pans. Instead of relying on PTFE, Teflon, or ceramic surfaces that deteriorate over time, Heritage Steel uses high-quality 304 stainless steel, also known as 1810s, for a non-toxic cooking experience. This means you can use metal utensils without worrying about scratching off harmful chemicals, though wooden or silicone tools are still recommended for everyday use. Family-owned and focused exclusively on cookware for over 40 years, Heritage Steel has refined their manufacturing process in Clarksville, Tennessee. While the initial learning curve might seem steep if you're switching from nonstick, these pans reward proper technique with exceptional cooking results and will likely be the last cookware set you'll need to purchase. Moving on, if you're looking for the best non-stick cookware for glass cooktop use, then HexClad's 12-piece set is where you need to look. It brings revolutionary hybrid cookware to your glass top stove and is completely non-toxic. The patented design combines stainless steel and TerraBond ceramic non-stick surfaces, giving you perfect searing capability while making cleanup a breeze. You'll appreciate how these pans handle up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, making stovetop to oven cooking seamless. The set includes 3 fry pans, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch, 2 saucepans with lids, 2-quart and 3-quart, and an 8-quart stock pot with lid. Each piece features the distinctive laser-etched hexagon pattern that creates stainless steel peaks over non-stick valleys. You'll notice immediate heat distribution differences with these pans. The aluminum core conducts heat quickly and evenly throughout the cooking surface. Start with lower temperatures than you're used to. Medium heat on a HexClad equals medium high on conventional cookware. The lightweight design makes these pans easy to handle despite their durability. The 12-inch fry pan weighs just 3.4 pounds, unlike heavier cast iron alternatives. You'll find the Stay Cool handles comfortable to grip even during extended cooking sessions. Cleaning is straightforward. A simple soak in soapy water, followed by a light scrub, is all you need. The pans benefit from occasional seasoning with a teaspoon of oil on medium-low heat for 2-3 minutes. This maintenance keeps them performing at their best over time. Professional chefs endorse these pans for good reason. The hybrid technology provides excellent searing capability while preventing food from sticking. You can confidently use metal utensils without worrying about damaging the surface. For glass stovetop specifically, the flat bottoms make perfect contact with the cooking surface. This maximizes heat transfer efficiency while minimizing the risk of scratching your stove. The pans won't slide around during cooking, giving you greater control over your culinary creations. So, what is the best cookware for glass top stoves on the market? If you want to buy the best pans for glass cooktop use, then the Xtrema Signature Series set offers everything you need for healthy cooking on your glass top stove. This comprehensive 9-piece set includes a 9-inch skillet, 3 saucepans with lids, 1 quart, 1.5 quart, and 2.5 quart, and 2 organic cotton handle pot holders. Each piece is handcrafted from 100% pure ceramic with no metal core or harmful coatings. What makes this set perfect for glass stovetops is its completely smooth, scratch-resistant bottom that won't damage your delicate cooking surface. The non-toxic ceramic construction distributes heat evenly across the cookware, eliminating hot spots that can burn your food. You'll appreciate how these pots and pans retain heat efficiently, keeping your dishes warm even after removing them from the heat source. The lightweight, one-piece construction makes these pots and pans comfortable to handle while cooking. To create a natural non-stick surface, simply preheat on low to medium heat before adding your choice of oil or fat. This method works beautifully for everything from delicate eggs to hearty stews. You'll love the versatility this set offers in your kitchen. The ceramic can withstand extreme temperatures, allowing you to move seamlessly from stovetop to oven or even microwave. The glossy modern finish means you can take these pieces straight from cooking to serving, reducing the number of dishes you'll need to wash. Peace of mind comes standard with this set. Each piece is backed by a 10-year warranty and a 30-day trial period. The family-run company behind Xtrema stands behind its products with a forever replacement program, offering free first replacements and 30% off subsequent replacements if any issues arise. And with that said, I really hope my video helped you to pick the best cookware for glass top stove use for you. Again, the links to each of these products are at the top of the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.